Welcome to our information video on Year 10 Advanced Fitness, an elective at Year 10 at Mara Sign College in Warragul. The topics covered in Year 10 Advanced Fitness include the body systems, muscular system, cardiovascular system, the respiratory systems, and their response to exercise and their relativity to one another when the body is under stress and performing at different intensities, whether that be in daily exercise or competitive sport. We'll look at game analysis, energy systems, movement patterns, skill sequence, and we'll also look at primary and secondary data and subjective and objective analysis, what they are and what forms that they might be in when we undertake those analyses. We'll look at fitness components and their sport and training applications. We'll do an elite athlete profile focusing on fitness components, energy systems, and the likely training program structure of that athlete. We'll look at sports nutrition, sports supplements and hydration. We'll look at that in a most advanced phase when we look at nutrition plans and the methodology behind nutrition plans for different types of athletes. We'll look at training methods, continuous aerobic training, circuit training, high intensity interval training, fartlek, resistance training of different types of strength components, muscular strength, muscular power, and muscular endurance. We'll look at interval training, short, high-speed intervals, intermediate intervals, and long interval training for aerobic athletes. We'll cover flexibility and recovery methods and plyometrics. We'll also look at training principles in depth. We'll look at specificity, intensity, duration, overload, and frequency, and apply them to development of our own personal training programs. And the culmination of our subject will be creating our own training program, and we'll be focusing on having data to base our training program on, the structure of our training program, the consistency, how important the frequency of sessions are, and the spacing. So what to train for, when, and how each relative session should sequence with another. So next we will look at the career pathway that 10 Advanced Fitness can lead to. Will lead to obvious direction of year 11 and 12 VCE PE, but also if you are that way inclined, looking at undertaking maybe a TAFE Cert 3 and 4 in personal training, which would be perfect for our vet students. Now, theory to practical component of our advanced fitness program. It's 8 lessons a cycle, so 4 a week, and 5 or 6 of those lessons to begin with will be theory and 2 to 3 will be practical. But once we get into our training program phase of our semester, we will have 6 practical lessons and 2 planning lessons. So each week you're likely to have 3 practical sessions where you undertake training sessions from your training program, and 1 session a week where you review your sessions, complete a training diary, and plan further sessions. Here's a snapshot of the career pathway of where being involved and choosing this subject can lead you to. So there's a wide array of employment opportunities and careers that can be relative to Year 10 Advanced Fitness. Any questions, please contact me, Dean Hendricks at Mara Sign College in Warragul, on my email in this PowerPoint. Thanks for viewing this video and listening in. We hope you choose our Year 10 Advanced Fitness Selective for 2021.